The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Concordville, or 8 miles southeast of Westchester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Westchester, Norristown, Chester, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Westtown, Conshohocken, Antler, Swarthmore, Collegeville, Narberth, Trapp, Cheney, Elam, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Chelsea, and Radnor Township. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 319 and 339. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 24. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 337. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.